Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vincent Martone again here at MarineMax in Clearwater. And today I have the privilege of taking you through one of our very fresh trades, a 2016 Sea Ray 470 Sundancer. This particular 470 Sundancer started its life on a freshwater lake in Colorado with just under 100 hours right now. We have it here for sale in Clearwater. So we're out here on the back of the boat, and as you take a look, we can see that we have the beautiful submersible swim platform. Now this is ready for chocks that'll hold your jet ski or maybe a small tender. Come on into the cockpit with me. We have our Kenyan cockpit grill and wet bar. Notice we have nice snap in, snap out carpet throughout. Up above, you have the beautiful extended shore shade, which is out right now. As we step inside the boat, you notice you've got the helm, and then you have entertainment seating to port and starboard, as well as the companion lounge up top. This boat is powered with twin Cummins 430 horsepower diesel engines with the Mercury SmartCraft joystick, updated Ray Marine electronics, and if you can take a look up above, we have a beautiful panoramic sunroof that opens up. Follow me down in the salon. Four steps topped with sea deck take you down into the galley and salon area. Nice Kenyan cooktop, Korean simulated marble countertops, plenty of storage throughout the galley. Then we have the VIP Berth. And this one is beautiful. A lot of people look for this in a boat, and a lot of boats don't have it. To starboard, you have a dedicated shower. To port, you have your dedicated head. Come on inside and take a look around. Beautiful, deep walnut, high gloss finish all the way around. LG flat screen TV. The boat still smells brand new. And then behind us, we'll go to the master. Head and shower, beautiful queen size bed, flat screen TV. Again, this has been Vincent Martone down here at MarineMax in Clearwater. This is our 2016 470 Sundancer. You can come down and check out any of our boats, or you can go online at www.marinemax.com. Look at any of our inventory, or give me a call at 803-760-0609. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, smash that bell button. Thanks for joining me.